My name is Lindsay Sheldrake and I am the production manager at IDS. Today, I am actually sewing these beautiful masks for some frontline workers. I personally was thinking what I could do to help, knowing that I had my grandmother-in-law's serger and my sewing machine. I could easily throw together some bed sheets and make some masks. So I started to do that about a week ago for some people at the shop here. Came to work on Monday, said, what else can we do? And that's when we kind of put together a team of individuals to create multiple masks to donate.
My name is Ariel. I work in the CAD and engineering department at Imagination Design Studios.
My name's Trish. I'm quality control here and the sculpting manager at IDS.
My name is Callie. I am normally in the paint department, but today I am here making fabric masks to give to people who are on the front line and who really need them.
I'm Dave Nolan. I'm the owner of Imagination Design Studios. We've all decided to step up and do something. So it sort of grew into something really special, and now we've got at least a half a dozen of our staff helping us, and it's something I'm really proud of, and I think it's really important. So hopefully we'll be able to produce several hundred face masks, and who knows, maybe even more than that.
There's some people that need help, and they're working really hard, and we want to give them the help and let them know we appreciate them.